Hello everyone, welcome to Sveta's menu. Today we're going to prepare a delicious, affordable, and quick breakfast, scrambled eggs with tomatoes. To make it, we'll need 2 tomatoes, 50 grams of green onions, 3 eggs, 2 cloves of garlic, 150 grams of grated cheese, salt, pepper, oil, and butter for frying. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by slicing the tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into round slices, not too thin, about 5 to 10 millimeters thick. There we go. The tomatoes are sliced. Next, let's chop the green onions. Chop the garlic or mince it using any method you find convenient. Add the eggs to the bowl with the onions. Then, mix everything well. Add the cheese, 150 grams. Mix thoroughly again. Now we need to add some salt and pepper. Don't use too much salt since the cheese is already salty. Add a bit of pepper as well. And mix everything one more time. That's it, everything is ready. Now, let's move on to frying. Heat up a frying pan. Then pour in the olive oil and add a piece of butter. Once the butter has melted and the pan is hot, add the minced garlic and lightly sauté it. What a wonderful smell! The next step. Now let's add the tomato slices. Lightly fry the tomatoes on both sides. First on one side, then flip them over and fry the other side. Now, we pour the egg mixture with cheese and onions over the tomatoes. Spread it evenly across the pan. Cover it with a lid and let the eggs cook over low heat. Let it cook for 5 minutes, or until the eggs are fully set. Look at this beauty! Now we're going to slice it and taste. I want to show you a closer look. Here it is, guys. Such a lovely dish. I highly recommend you try it. It's the perfect dish for breakfast. And the best part is, when you're in a hurry in the morning, it's quick, inexpensive, and brings a lot of joy. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the Sveta's Menu channel. Here, every week, you'll find new, delicious, and exciting recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!